how to sort emails automatically to folders in your Gmail account. So this is useful if you want to categorize your emails to folders or by specific folders. So first you will need to start by selecting emails that you want to send to the same folder. So for example, these Facebook emails and Google emails right here. And then click on the three vertical dots right here, and then click on label as, and then you want to click on social or create a new folder. So for example, I'm going to click on create new, and then you can give it a name, for example, socials. And then you can also nest it under other labels by checking this box and selecting the parent. And then you can hit the create button, and this should be immediately labeled as socials and moved to the socials folder. And you should also find your labels under the labels category right here. If you click on socials, you should only see those emails that you've added earlier. And now for any new emails that are coming in the future, we want to basically send them automatically to this label or any labels that we've created. So for example, we will need to click on Facebook email right here, and then click on the three vertical dots, and then click on filter messages like these. And then we're going to use the email address as the filter. So for example, in this case, any email that is coming from Facebook mail that says notification at Facebook mail, we want to basically filter it and then click on create filter. And then you want to basically label it. So you want to select the label right here, apply the label, and then choose your labels, for example, socials, and then click on create filter. And this should automatically send any emails coming from Facebook to that label right here or this folder without you having to do anything. And you can do that with pretty much any email that you want. You can click on the three vertical dots, filter messages like these, create a filter, and then you can also choose other options such as skip the inbox and archive the email inside the label, or you can mark it as read, add a star to it, and you can also never send it to spam, never send it to the spam folder, and mark it as important or never mark it as important. You can also categorize it in these pre-made categories by Google. And then once you're done, click on create filter again, and that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.